Hello YouTube, welcome back to Web Gear Review. Today I would like to take a look at the belt that was the last belt used in the IIFS gear system, and it also became the belt that was used in the individual integrated fighting system. Now, first of all, I would like to say thank you to all of you that have subscribed to this channel. And I would like to ask all of you who watch if you would subscribe to the channel also, because that will help me out with YouTube. I have many more videos to make. But anyway, this is part 7 of what began to be a 6-part series on United States military pistol belts. But there's also probably going to be an 8th part because I want to kind of go over some things. But however, let's get to the belt. Now, the individual integrated fighting system, or what known as the IIFS system, was introduced in 1988 as a possible replacement for the IIFS gear system. But knowing what we know now, we know that it really didn't take off. But however, the IIFS system was to utilize the latest type of IIFS web belt, which was the LC2 right here with the quick release gray slide buckle, commonly referred to by the troops by the Banshee pistol belt right here. And this was the belt that the new system was to try to utilize. But however, it wasn't very long into it, around September of '89, that the LC2 belt with the gray slide buckle that I just showed you, and I did a video on those, but anyway, that I just showed you, it was modified. What they did was they done away, once again, this clinch type of buckle on the LC2. There was a problem. There was an issue with it once again. So what they did was they changed it to this clamp style button. They done away with the clinch style and they changed it for this clamp style with this web belt. This is kind of like, reminds me of a belt loop, but it simply just goes around there and it snaps on here and it holds it in place. So what they did was they took the LC2 belt and with the quick release buckle, and they changed it to this clamp style with this loop and snap type of fastener. Now, the first belts of this type of belt right here, this is the first pattern, and it used this gray slide buckle, as you can see here. Now, this gray slide buckle with this type of belt was not used very long at all. In fact, the national stock number was changed to a new number when they made this change right here. They were still using this buckle, but the national stock number was changed different from the old LC2 belt. Now, in 1990, as the individual integrated fighting system was being used, they updated, they done away with this type of the old gray slide buckle, and they moved to this new ITW Fast-X quick release type buckle right here, which is actually works a lot quicker than the old gray slide type buckle. But other than that, that's all they did. This is the exact same belt. So this would be the second pattern type with the black ITW Fast-X quick release type of buckle right here. Now, it was made with these black buckles from like 1989 all the way to present date, or whenever they quit finally making these things, these type belts right here. Now, the national stock number for a medium belt on these babies here would be 846501-322-1965. And for the large, the national stock number is 846501-322-1966. Now, I don't know how good you can see this tag here, right here on this belt, but we'll see if we can show it to you here. See if we can get some light on it, give the camera time to focus. But anyway, this particular belt here is dated, I think 91. I should have looked at that before I done the video, but I didn't, and I forgot. Now, this belt here is dated 1998. But this VAX-X buckle type that it has on it was actually changed in 1990, I believe. Yeah. But anyway, one interesting thing here is, and my next video will probably, on these pistol belts, will have to kind of do with some of this type information. The LC2 was supposed to be dropped at this time. They've done away with the LC2 designation. But if you'll notice that this belt come out in 89 and 90, but here we are, this belt is dated 1998, and it still has the LC2 tag. So I don't know if they just had to use all the tags up they had or what, but anyhow, what you're looking at there is the last belt that was utilized in the IIFS gear system, and this belt here is known as the belt that was used for the Infantry Integrated Fighting System. Thanks for watching the Web Gear Review.